This is Kenny the Handyman here, and today I'm sitting in the parking lot of an auto glass repair shop waiting to get this windshield chip repaired. This chip is currently under the size of a US $quarter, and you want to get it repaired before it gets any larger than that. Otherwise, this chip will have a tendency to expand, and if it gets much larger, they won't be able to repair it, and they'll have to replace the entire windshield. Right now, this chip is probably only going to cost me about 50 bucks, and a lot of times your car insurance company will pay that $50 just because they don't want to pay for having the entire windshield replaced if it gets any larger. So it's important to take care of it while the chip is small. So I hope that helps. So the windshield has been repaired. It only took about 30 minutes, and you can barely even see any trace of the repair.